One.
Shalom, this is Yehudit Goldfarb from Svat, still in Denver, Colorado. I want to share with you the movements I do for the 27th day of the 40 days of challenge and century. So we're still on the cycle of the Dalet, of the name Adonai, which I'm using backwards for these 40 days, using one letter for each 10 days. And we've gone up from Malchut to Keter with the Yud for the first 10 days, come down from Keter to Malchut for the second 10 days with the Nun. Now we're going back up, and we're the 27th day, we're on Chesed, 7 days up. So it's a Dalet, and we're doing the swing Dalet for all of this cycle from Yesod to Chesed. And it goes like this, swinging the arms up, and then one hand around, and then the other hand and down. So I'm lifting my left heel as my arms swing out and bring it around, left up and down, then the right, and I do a roll. From the right heel up and down, lift the head, and then a roll. Get on the right, up and down, and around, and on a roll. That's the Dalet, the swing Dalet. Then the nikudah for Chesed, openness, loving kindness, is the Segol. So it's 3 dots, where the mouth is the lower dot. And I do a preparation, and I go, ah, and bring that into myself. It's like being a funnel for the universe. Ah, openness, loving kindness. Ah, abundance. Ah, if you do this outside and look at the sky and the clouds and the sun, there's just a fullness about it. So, another thing to explain, if I go into colors, we've been doing green as a base. This is a light green. I don't know if you can see it with this much sunshine, for the fact that this column is the column of Bria, the world of Bria, the mental world, and Bria and Bina are associated with green according to the Zohar. But I'm also emphasizing the rainbow colors that I've done before. So Chesed is purples in that system, and it's white in the Zohar system. So I've kind of combined that with a dress I have that has some green in it, and purples, and a lot of white. And the letter Dalet goes between Sefirot and Keter. So between the green of Sefirot and the white, or the blinding white is what it's supposed to be, of Keter. So all of those are in my mind as I dress, and I'm wearing, which I've done so many times before, the shield of Abraham for a necklace. And it's a Yemenite necklace, and it has a complexity to it that fits with understanding with the world of, with Bria, and the sense of being able to make fine distinctions and notice without emotional attachment what's alike and what's different, and trying to understand that. Anyway, let's do the movements. Combination 10 times. I'm going to move from Malchut up to Keter internally as I do a combination of a Dalet with a Segol. So starting the left heel off, up and down, from Malchut, and going to the right for Segol. Then for Yesod, starting on the right and crossing over. And then to hold, which is on the left side, so double left. right for Netzach. Sefirot, I'm going to start on the left and cross over. Gevurah is on the left, double left. Chesed on the right. Bina, left brain. Chachma on the right. Keter, starting left and crossing over. And then receiving God's breath as we move from the crown, top of our head, all the way, move the energy all the way through the body, down to the feet and to the ground, centering, grounding, as we are breathed by Hashem. And then, so the way we bless today as we're in the 27th day, Chesed aspect of our mental constructs, how we can be open to new ideas, open to new solutions, allowing a spaciousness in our thinking process, in our understanding that we can get out of the traps of past patterns and past assumptions. And so I bless us that we may be able to open up in that way as we move up now this incredible ladder of facing our challenges, seeing our challenges, and centering solidly in who we are and who we can be and our potential, and bringing that out with a lot of Chesed, with a lot of loving kindness in the way we are in the world. Many blessings to you.